always look through the corner.
Yeah.
Don't like target fixate on it.
Yeah, that's
I clicked it into neutral. Oh, you just let it go. Shit happens.
damn, bro.
Lost the front.
Shit ain't too bad. Just got some dirt on her, that's all.
Can you just hold it? It's gonna call the police.
It ain't that bad, dude. You feeling okay?
Oh, dude.
Anything feeling broken or anything?
I'm pissed off, bro.
Oh, man, I
Is my
get it.
GoPro on there?
Nah, it fell off. You wanna get out on the street?
Just absolutely lost the front, dude.
Thank God he didn't go into like a sewer drain or some shit.
Damn it, bro.
You could probably ride it home.
I am.
Just got some dirt on her, that's all. The shifter's a little bent, but dude, I was about to do that going back this way when that dude was recording. I went in right there, got super hard on the brakes and just straightened it out.
Hey, we just crashed. Let's go. He's not doing too bad. He still runs. this way.
Yeah. You want me to carry that thing? I could probably just shove it in my jacket.
Do you want me to, or?
It's up to you, man.
I mean, if you have space, or
I got some space.
do I got the Enjoy?
Hell
I do.
Yeah, must grip the Enjoy after crash. I'd honestly go home and just cheat.
I'm surprised my phone isn't like cracked up.
Dude, those iPhones are pretty durable. That was one hell of a crash though. You got that all on video, right?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Front and rear. Well, hopefully. I think the rear probably cut out because that's apparently what GoPros do.
Yeah, you could probably like recover it though.
Maybe. All right, we should get going.
How's it going, guys? So this is a post crash gear analysis. So this is my Teknic race suit, just covered in mud. Here's the knee, just turned around, all covered in mud. This actually came off and we found it in the grass. My gloves are doing fine. I think it's still time for an upgrade. There's holes in them, but those are all good. Boots are all covered in mud. They're fine now. And the only thing that sucks is I lost the fin that goes on the back of my helmet. But it's replaceable. That's the only thing that the helmet didn't even touch the ground. So very fortunate that I didn't get hurt. Always wear your gear, guys. I always wear this full suit, gloves, boots, everything, almost every single time I ride, and really saved a lot of injury and a lot of pain to myself. So wear your gear. Catch you guys in the next one. See ya.